2020. It's my last year of school this year, which is crazy. And today I'm going to be sharing with you some goals I have for this year. And I'm also going to be doing some natural everyday sort of makeup. I also asked you guys for some questions on my Instagram about this year, so if I get any then I'll answer them as well. But let's just get straight into it. Because I'm trying to grow my friend out. I don't know what to do with it. I just have these little curtains like on my window or something. I've got social media goals and I've also got some personal goals. So I'll start with the social media ones and then I'll move to the personal ones. I got super burnt. Look at that. It hurts so much. I'm just going to start with a bit of strobe cream. I don't know if I said that or not. Okay, oh my god, the person running by just went past and it scared me. So my first social media goal is to get to 100 subscribers. Gain subscribers really slowly, so I think that 100 is like a realistic goal. I would love to have more than that. It's alright, it's not like I've been doing this for 4 years or anything. I still only have 50 subscribers. I'm just kidding. What I'm gonna do is get a headband because that's gonna annoy me. When I wear headbands like this, I legit look 2 years old. I'm just gonna take these two BB creams. They're two different colors. One's too light, one's too dark, so I'm gonna mix them. And it's just super light coverage, especially when it's like really hot and you sweat off your makeup anyways. Okay, so my next goal is to upload twice a week. On a Sunday and on Sundays at 7 on Sundays and Wednesdays at 7 o'clock. But I also want to give myself some holidays unless I do something fun and I could like vlog or something, because I don't mind doing that. But actually I like doing all of this, but it's just good to have some time off social media. I think it's healthy and just to relax a bit and not be doing stuff 24/7. It's just nice to have a BB cream just to like even out your skin. You can still see all my freckles and cuteness. Another goal is to make as much original content as I can. That's pretty self-explanatory. I'm now just going to move on to a bit of concealer. And another big goal of mine is to buy myself a vlog camera. And you know, cameras aren't cheap, so I really need to get a job. I really want to just get a easy to use vlogging camera so that I can do vlogs as well as these sit down videos, and it will help with me it'll help for me to be able to put out more videos as well. Sometimes some of these sit down videos that I did, like the skull, that literally took me like 8 hours to film because it's so like technical. Sometimes you just really don't want to be doing 2 of them every week. And I also really like vlogs. I like watching them and I like making them. And yeah, to be able to put out 2 different types of content would be great. The goal is to be uploading at least 1 TikTok a day. So yeah, I'm really enjoying TikTok, and if you didn't know, I have a TikTok, so go follow it. I really just do like dances on there. That's actually what I'm going to be doing after I film this video. Woohoo! Okay, so now I'm just going to be powdering my face a little bit, just mainly under my eyes where I crease. Hair on my tongue. Just gonna go ahead and add some bronzer to make me look a bit tan. And my another social media goal is to get to 1,000 TikTok followers, which I think I can do because one day I actually gained like 50 in one day, which is like quite a lot for me. So I'm at 200 at the moment, so I think I could get to 1,000 if I really like uploaded a TikTok every day. Okay, Okay, another goal is to upload to Instagram once a week, which I think is doable considering I'm uploading twice a week. Usually when I upload, I post an Instagram photo anyway. I'm actually going to add some highlighter. I like to do this before blush so that when I apply the blush, it helps blend the highlight out so I don't have like a giant stripe. So just applying this to the tops of my cheeks. Where you been? I've been in men. Okay, and my last social media goal is to get to 500 Instagram followers. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a little bit of blush on and we can start with my personal goals. And one I've written down here already, I have achieved, which is to get my L's. It's basically, if you don't know what that is, it's your learner's driver's license. Okay, so I'm just going to go on with a little bit of blush. Really want that burnt effect. You know. Another goal of mine is to get a job, which I did mention earlier, which will help me save up for the vlog camera. I really want to get a job and I have been applying since Christmas for jobs, but unfortunately haven't received any offers. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to get a job. I'm not doing my eyebrows because I'm lazy. Another personal goal for me this year is to be more positive, especially about when it comes to school stuff. I'm always like super negative about it, which doesn't really help. And I'm always like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna fail this, I'm so bad at this, I'm gonna fail. And then of course, I usually don't end up failing. I have like more faith in myself. Okay, so another goal for me is to find a good balance in my life between doing the social media, having the social life, and all my school stuff, which I haven't been very good at. I think I usually put social media before the other two, which isn't very good. It's usually like social media, social, school, which is terrible. But so yeah, I want to switch it around and have a nice like balance. And my last personal goal for this year is to see my friends more often, because I feel like I hardly ever see them during the year, and it's really sad, honestly. So yeah, also I might be able to film a video with them, especially if I get a vlog camera. So yeah, if you're watching this, want to film a video with me? So yeah, I have a lot of my videos planned, and yeah, that's another thing I would like to do this year, is to plan out the videos to make sure that I'm more organized. Okay, so that's pretty much my finished makeup. I'm just going to take my hair down and then I'll see if I've got any questions from Instagram to answer. By 30, oh! I've got 2 questions, and they are you excited for school? And I am excited because I really want to see my friends, and I think it's going to be a good year this year. And I know school better than I did starting last year, because last year I was new. Oh my god, my sister's just arrived home from school, and my mum. So quickly we better finish this. Yeah, so I am excited, but I'm also super nervous. I get like nervous pretty much every day before school, but you know, it's something I have to deal with. Yeah, if you're nervous out there for for school, I'm pretty sure most people are nervous. Then the other question is, what subjects are you doing? And I'm doing business, there's the class, business, early childhood, maths, English, art, and media arts. But I might drop media arts because I failed last year. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're new here. And yeah, I'm gonna go make some TikToks now. Bye!